Welcome back to Cruising America, everyone. Today we're hiking the Beehive Trail in Page, Arizona. We're Steve and Kathleen. We're Cruising America in our 35-foot fifth wheel RV, chasing 70-degree weather year-round. If you'd like to watch our previous videos, please click the Cruising America playlist link in the description below this video. Otherwise, enjoy our current episode starting now. This trail is a mini hike and substitute for the Wave in the Vermillion Cliffs National Monument west of Page, Arizona. The Wave is located in the Coyote Buttes North Special Management Area and, thanks to social media, is known internationally as one of the most coveted hikes in the southwestern United States. Because of the fragile nature of the area, the Bureau of Land Management allows only 20 people a day to visit. As you might imagine, getting a permit via BLM's lottery is extremely difficult. We've heard of folks trying for years. The Beehive Trail consequently became a viable alternative for most folks visiting the area. Granted, it doesn't have the breadth of colors of the Wave, but for everyone who doesn't live in southern Utah or northern Arizona, it's still an amazing cornucopia of color, texture, patterns, and formations combining to make this part of the world so interesting and amazing. Located in Page, Arizona, just west of the Glen Canyon Dam, this nearly 2-mile trail takes you to sandstone waves and unique geological rock formations. It's a free, manageable hike just off U.S. Highway 89. You don't need a four-wheel drive vehicle to get to the trailhead. In fact, you can even see Lake Powell from the trail. Though the trail is lined with rocks, we recommend using all trails because there are 2 forks and 1 shunt trail. All Trails map will keep you on track. The trail is easy but technical. You have to walk over rock at angles. Probably 75% of the trail is rock, not sand, so wear sturdy hiking boots to protect your ankles. Though technically the hike is within the Glen Canyon Recreation Area, you can hike this trail for free. A campground is available opposite the trailhead, but charges for camping and has no utilities or bathrooms. This loop trail takes an average of 45 minutes to complete, unless you're a photographer like me.